The secret of this extraordinary behaviour lies in the boat's motors. The fish mistake pressure waves from the propeller for the movement of predators and literally jump with fright. They react in alarm to every passing boat. With numbers close to bursting point, each leaping fish scares its neighbour, creating a dangerous chain reaction. As some weigh over 40 pounds, collisions can be deadly. In some parts of the river, 200 fish missiles can launch at any one time. They have already caused serious injuries, and as they spread to other rivers, the danger increases by the day.